Next question, Mr. Rajesh.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for the answer, Mr. Mukti. Question number 4 is many people out there straight away reject the business saying that they don't like network marketing business. Okay, so this is also a very common rejection faced by all the network marketing businessmen. Okay, so what is your view on this, Mr. Mukti?
Okay, right. Why people reject? Why people reject network marketing? The only reason why, because the people only see the failures. 95% people fail in network marketing. Their neighbors is fail. They say, "Oh, my brother doing network marketing so many years, they fail because they not consistent." But if the movement, but I come across who are a person who so admire about the industry because he's seen his neighbor become rich multi-millionaire through network marketing, and he told me, I want to do a network marketing. I want to become like him because he's seen people who become successful in network marketing. But people who reject network marketing, they not seen the successful people in network marketing. That's the reason why. Okay, people reject. And second reason why people reject, because they don't understand how the network works. Okay, I remember about 3 years ago during one of my prospect was brought me to one of the prospect house. He's so professional. The guy is a corporate guy. He's a CEO of one multinational company. And the moment I open up my conversation, when I start to talk about the industry, straight away he said, "Oh, is it the Christmas tree structure business?" See how people as look in the industry. He said, "Oh, this is a Christmas tree structure business." See, a CEO of the company who don't know about the industry, he only know because he showed me the structure. He said, "Oh, it's a Christmas tree. It's a pyramid." So that's the reason why. But then I gave him one book. I say, "You are a CEO of the company. I'm sure you do a lot of reading about whatever you are doing. Okay, can you read this?" I just give a one thin book. I pass it to him. I say, "Okay, you just read this book, and I'll call you in 2 days' time." And he went through, read through the book. Then he understand what's network marketing is all about. So that's what you need to do. First thing, people when reject, people say no, then you need to ask them the question back. Okay, don't argue. Don't go into argument, friend. The only thing, because when the conversation come into argument, then the ego of the person will touch. So don't ever argue with people. You just say, "Okay, what do you think about?" You throw back the question to them. Ask them, "What do you know about network marketing? Can you enlighten me?" You just make yourself stupid in front of your prospect, because why? People don't like you to be smarter than them. It's okay. As long, I know the guy is a CEO, is a well-educated man, but what if the CEO become my teammate, become in my network, and he can do wonder better than me? That's why always remember, try to bring in people who are better than you. How to bring people better than you into the network? You need to don't show you know everything. You always, when people talk, let them talk, especially come to the industry. Okay, network marketing. Of course, if they talk about bad about crowd one, it's your baby. Of course, you don't say, okay, when people tell anything about scam, okay, why you say scam? You ask the question. Or they say, "Oh, I saw in the Google, I blah, blah, blah." Then you give them all the 5 question answer that I give it to you. Enlighten them, educate the people. Then one day enlightened, one day understand, they will join. I know there's a lot of people just join, but never build the network. Only reason why they join out of your courtesy. They say, "Okay, never mind, 99 euro, and never mind, it's okay, I support you." Friend, I don't sponsor this kind of people. I want, if you join my team, I want you to build your network. Otherwise, don't come and join, because I'm looking for my business partner who want to grow together with me. So what do you need to do? You need to, people say don't like network marketing. You need to educate the people. What's network marketing all about? What Donald Trump say about network marketing? What Robert Kiyosaki say about network marketing? What Bill Gates say about who are these people compared to you? This guy may work as an operator or technician in a factory, and he talk like he know everything about network marketing. He's struggling in life. But who are you compared to what Bill Gates was saying about network marketing? He say if he lost everything, he will choose one network marketing company and he will build a network. That's what network marketing company. All right. So this is how we need to educate the people. So it's basically, It's an education, friend. The network business is education. We need to learn while we are building the network. Not learn everything, equip with the knowledge, then you want to go to the field. It's not. Okay? You just jump and learn how to swim. All right? But of course, you will dive if you go into the sea. But in network marketing, you won't die. All right? The most thing people look you down. It's okay. Okay? Throw all your ego, throw everything. Just be a human being. Just share. Don't think whatever other people say. This is your life. You make your decision. It's your destiny. So just share with them. Let them say whatever. Then if they don't, then apply the SW principle. Friend, you know what the meaning of SW? Some will join. Some won't. So what? Someone else is waiting. There are 7 billion population in the world. Right now, it's only 5.75 million. If 10 people reject, 20 people reject, 100 people reject, go to 101. If people give up because of reject, then we won't have the light today. Thomas Edison has already failed many times, and today we won't have KFC if we give up after trying for 9,000 times. So it's all again, it's you, how you commit and how you see things. That's it. Okay. Now, why they are rich? When somebody say network marketing about a network, okay? Today everything is network. All the business go into network, and that's why these people are rich and you are not. If you have a Facebook account, friend, you tell your prospect. If you have Facebook account, Instagram account, use WhatsApp. You are in a Mark Zuckerberg network. You are part of his network, and you only make him rich. He becomes the 3rd richest man in the world. You tell your prospect, you are in a Mark Zuckerberg network. If you have a Windows desktop computer or laptop, you are in a Bill Gates network, and you make Bill Gates the richest man, 2nd richest man in the world. So that's not network. If you have bought anything on Amazon, friend, you are in a Jeff Bezos network. That's also a network. You're already contributing, right? And if you have got GoTV and DSTV at home, you are part of network or Nespa group. That also a network. You're contributing, all right? And if you ever bought Danko cement, sugar, salt, or noodle flour, I think this is a company from India. You are part of their network, and you make the owner, the shareholder, getting richer and richer, and you become the consumer for all these company, right? And if you have a bank account with any bank, you are part of their network, right? The bankers are rich, the owners are rich, the share price of the bank shares are so rich. Why? We are contributing for their success, but we don't earn anything, right? If you drink Coca-Cola product, you are our network, the companies, and they are getting billion-dollar company. So this is what all about network. So when somebody say, I don't like network marketing, you share this slide and information. As a workers or employee with any organization or company, you're not only a part of the owner workforce, you're also part of the network. Can you overtake your CEO salary? Can you overtake your managing director salary? Can't. But in network, you can overtake even Mr. My income, my level, or Mr. Sajid level, whoever. You can overtake. It all depends how hard you work, how you plan, how you strategize your business, how you knowledge, how you committed, how active you are. So all this is activity. If you work 8 hours a day, you will have income for 8 hours a day. If you work 12 hours a day, you have income. Initially, friend, let me tell you one thing. See, why the bosses are richer? Okay, sorry, any bosses here, friend. All right, why the company bosses are so rich? Because they buy your time. Time is money. So they buy your time in wholesale and they sell in the retail. Because everyone only have 12 hours a day, 24 hours a day. And let's say you work 8 hours a day. And every of you only have 8 hours a day. But the boss have 1,000 employees. What will be the hours of the boss? He have 8,000 hours. That's why he become rich. Because in a day, his revenue generate from 8,000 hours. But you only get 8 hours because of it. But in network, Let's say you build a network of 1,000 people and everybody spend 1 hour. In a day, you have 1,000 hours and that will generate your income. And fair enough, whatever profit is equally shared. Everyone has one left, one right. It's 18 euro. For me, everybody is the same. So again, remember the time. Initially, you need to put a lot of time. But once your network grow, even everyone spend 1 hour a day, you have 10,000 people, you have 10,000 hours in your network. That's generate income, right? Now, for the people in your network, especially when it comes to Crowd One, okay, friend, Crowd One today is giving us an opportunity to build our own earning network. It will generate you euros for the rest of your life in Crowd One through Affiliate and Mixer and more affiliate engine that yet to come. So what are you going to do? You're not selling anything. Okay, tell your prospect, you're not selling anything. Okay, you're just developing a network like how you do just by paying one time of 99 euro. You're going to be part of the Crowd One network and you're going to generate euro for the rest of your life. Simple as that. Can you have such an opportunity right now? I would be willing to join. If anybody come and tell me, can you show me any other opportunity right now in the planet here? I have such an opportunity where I'm building a network one time and lifetime. I'm going to enjoy a profit sharing from the company. Somebody else managing the company, somebody else maintaining the platform. My job is just building a network. I don't need to headache myself thinking of how to maintain the server, how to pay the salary of the staff. My job is just one time build a network and lifetime I'm going to enjoy the profit sharing. Tell me any other opportunity, such opportunity of business right now in the planet, I will join. I will be willing to participate. Yes, there are many, all are investment program. Why? Investment program, people want easy money. They don't want to work, but that's why no investment program lasts more than 3 or 4 years. But this is it's a real network building. You must understand. You're not going to every month push your network to sell your product, maintain your product so that you can earn a network income. No, you're going to do only one time. The rest of your life, the revenue generated from the company is going to give you the income. So that's a different Crowd One compared to any other network opportunity right now out there. You need to educate your prospect, right? Now, so when you see Crowd One as an investment company, you are looking at a short-sighted, friend. But you have to start building a network. You are building a future fortune, not only for you, but your next generation. Because even yesterday, the live event, the CEO, Mr. Johan, was mentioned that, there are no such company as so transparent. There are no such company as legalized, compliant with the European law. I don't know how many of you really captured the word mentioned by Mr. Johan, right? The first session when the interview session was going on, right? If you missed that, go back and try to recall and listen, keep on listening what Mr. Johan has mentioned yesterday. He said one thing, which I feel so excited about the business. I couldn't sleep until 4 a.m. yesterday, friend. I was planning and setting my goal and doing my homework after the event. Because any opportunity that can make you sleep, that is where you're going to begin. So after yesterday's event, I couldn't sleep because I told myself I want to be there. My name must be listed during the next event. So when Mr. Johan was mentioned that never in the history such a opportunity, such a business model was compliant with the European Union law. Then they're going to do that. That means we already have someone going to do all this work. We just need to focus and educating the people about the Crowd One platform. We don't need to go and try to convince people and people spend all kind of a negative news. You educate them. You don't need to go and fight. Some people may challenge you. You prove to me. It's okay. Category C, just leave it one side. Look into category A and category B friends. Category A where you say you jump, I jump. Category B friend who have 50-50. So category C, just put it one side. You go and see them after 1 year. Once you become millionaire, I'm sure you won't even bother to see them once you become millionaire. Why you want to go and try to convince them? Try to the people who are not together with us when we are growing. I do have the kind of members in my network. in my contact list who challenged me. Even as 2 days ago, one guy said, let's see, challenge me. I said, fine, thank you. I'll see you after 2 years. So just be like that. All right. Okay, friends. So, Mr. Rajesh, question number 5.
Yeah. Before that, I just wanted to add something on this network.
Carry on.
Network marketing.
Carry on.
So, what is actually network marketing business all about? We only need to go and share about the goodness of this business to as many people that we know. That's all. Whether they come in or not, it is not our business. Our work, our job is just to go and share. Okay, go and share. So you might have seen Astro promoters. Whenever they have got promotion in shopping complex or what, they will just with one placard, they'll just come to you and ask Astro, and they knew that out of 100 houses in Malaysia, 99 houses will have Astro, but they are still doing it. Why? Because their job is very, very simple. Just share about the business, whether the crowd, the network come and join or not. That is not their concern. So we must be like that. We just share about this crowd one business to as many members, and then just share. Don't convince them. Okay, that is network